It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go.
Number 5.
Munga charged with murder. That is not good.
Number 4.
Ariana Grande is going to put on a benefit concert for the victims in the Manchester bombing. She's taking the incident really hard and wants to give back as much as she can.
Number 3.
Junior Gong bought himself a magazine. You might have heard of it, High Times. He was a part of a group of investors who bought controlling shares. Good move, Gong.
Yup, and he also adopted a lion.
That's so neat.
Oy.
Number 2.
So Conscience's car was keyed in the parking lot of a hotel by someone described as a Rasta with a big stomach. Of course, people are speculating and forcing a war, but Uno just take it easy. Like, you know, come on guys.
And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, why are they calling Riri fat? Really? Riri is getting thick in all the right places and they're fat shaming her. Girl, do your thing, enjoy your money, live your life.
What is wrong with people?
I really don't know.
So what if she fat?
Oh, that too. So what?
So what?
She can't take it off like that.
So what?
Cool. She good. She not worry about Una don't worry about she.
I know.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to send us what you want to make the list to our Facebook page, TVJ Intense.
And check us out on Instagram at TVJ Intense. Up next, fashion block and a video premiere from the man from Trelawney. Intense soon come.